Welcome to the channel. It's a beautiful day in Hawaii. We're going to do an unboxing today of the www.f150led.com 2021 to 2026 Ford Bronco CREE LED hood mounted MKII Spartan Kit. It's a dual light combo that we're going to be putting on my 2023 Big Ben Sasquatch. I mean, this is the first time I use F150led.com products, so we're going to see how it works out. And I mean, I heard good things about it, looked at the reviews, did my research, and I think this is the one that's going to make the cut. Let's look at this packaging and see how, I mean, it's a beautiful box. Let's see how it looks out. And I mean, this is how it came. I mean, from the, I mean, look at that. That is gorgeous right there. I mean, they did a great job packaging it. They got their logo on there. I mean, give these guys a shout out. US owned and operated. I mean, we got to support our US companies, but it looks great. Let's look at this product. Let's open this box. Okay, cut it open. Let's see what we got in here. I mean, look at this. Thank you for your support, Nick and the guys at F150 LED team. I mean, that's how you appreciate your customers right there. I mean, okay, let's see what we got in here. Okay, we got some packaging. Take this out, throw this on the side. Okay. Oh, hey. Okay, we got what we got in here. Okay, shipping manifest. I ordered the extra dual mount brackets because I'm eventually going to be putting 2 sets of lights, ditch lights, on my Bronco. So I went ahead and ordered a dual bracket already. I mean, if it works out, I'm putting another pair of F150 LEDs on for the second, maybe the quad or the dual. Let's see what we got else in here. Okay. Okay, what is this? Okay, we got all the what is it? What is it? I think this is the wiring and all that. Excuse me, I'm trying to do this with one hand and hold the camera. Yeah, we got our wiring kit. So, harness right there. Oh, our toggle switches and stuff. So we'll see how that works out. Yeah. Okay, we got, take this, move this big box on the side. What we got here. Okay, this is our Spartan Series 2, Series MK2 lights. Again, beautiful boxing. I mean, they really do, you know, send you high quality stuff. Oh, look at this. Even the lights are wrapped, not just foamed inside, they're wrapped. You know, unbox this. Oh, they got some weight, good weight to it. Nice. Got the American flag, gotta represent the US. These are the quad lights. I got them in the clear diamond setup. You can get them in the hyper yellow amber setup, or you can get them in the clear pure diamond. I got them in clear diamond combo. So there's spot, driving, combo, and UST. So I got them in the combo set, spot and driving. I mean, these are very well packaged. Got the brackets here for it. I mean, lovely packaging. I mean, again, welcome you to the F1 LED family. So let's, shout out to Nick then. Okay, what we got here? Okay, this is your heavy duty wiring harnesses. This is the harness that's going to be connecting everything. This too is great packaging. Everything is well thought of. Got your zip ties to all your extra lengths of cable. Right now, I'm very impressed with what we got here. So let's see how it turns out. Well, we just got done unboxing that beautiful package from www.f150led.com that marked MKII Spartan Ditchlight Kit that's going on my 2023 Ford Bronco. Right now I'm impressed with what they sent, how fast they sent it out. I live out here in Hawaii, and from ordering to shipping in the Christmas season, less than 2 weeks. So if you live out on the mainland, you probably get it way quicker than me. But we're gonna have a video later down the line on the install. We'll see how these things. I heard good things about you guys, so don't let me down. Don't let me down, man. I want to thank Nick at www.f150led.com for sending a great product out right now. It's you're doing good things right now. So we'll see. Thank you for watching the channel, and I'll see you guys later.